What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick unboxing of the mini AirPower wireless charger. Now, this is a charging pad very similar to what Apple is supposed to be releasing with their AirPower, but we all know that has been delayed. We don't know if Apple is going to be releasing that product or when they're going to be releasing it. So I was watching a video on Floss's channel when he did his new Apple Series 4 Nike watch, and he uses this to charge his watch and his phone. And he left a link in the description of his video, so I took a look at it, and I thought it looked fairly nice. So I picked this up from Amazon. As you can see there, $32.99 with that 2-day shipping. So I just got it in the mail today, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing so we can take a look to see what it looks like. This should be fairly convenient when you come home. You know, I walk into my home office, I just throw my phone down, I still got my Apple Watch on. If I want to charge it, then I can just throw it right on here and charge the thing up. So let's do a quick unboxing, see what it looks like, and see if this is something that could definitely be a replacement until Apple decides to release their product. All right, so here it is. Comes with its own USB cable, goes right into the device. So yeah, so that's for the watch right there. And you can put your phone over here. So let me grab a charger real quick and plug this in, and let's see how this works. All right, I'll be right back. Hang tight. All right, y'all. So I was messing around with it for a little bit just to figure out, the perfect spot to put the phone. And for the watch, it's fairly easy. You can see you have your little divot right here. So you just put your watch right in there. That should charge it up. There you go. The watch is charging. And then this is my iPhone XS Max. Boom. As soon as you put it on, you get that sound that it's charging. Let's try the iPhone 10. Boom. Shoot. As soon as you put it there, it starts to charge. That's pretty nice. And let's check it out with iPhone 8 Plus. Boom. So, pretty convenient. Like I said, it's fairly inexpensive too, $32 from Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link down in the description. But I would say this is a pretty good alternative until Apple decides to release AirPower. But AirPower is probably going to be fairly expensive. So if you still want something that looks nice on your desk, or at work, or at home, I think that this will be a very, very good substitute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll throw the link in the description, like I said. You guys can check it out, but it looks like this is a winner. All right, peace.